I'm Helen, I'm from the Maverick Store, and we're doing a collaboration with the fashion design students to make them industry ready. My business has been going since September, so it's all about sustainable fashion, ethical sourcing, understanding where everything's come from, you know, making sure the whole supply chain's looked after, basically.
My design's sustainable because it's bamboo silk, so it's all organic, it's ethically sourced, and it's good for the environment. She's called Vivian. She made a bamboo silk, and she's got a removable and reversible collar, so you can take her to different places, so she looks a bit different. She's a nice sort of spread silhouette, so you can get that nice feminine shape. It's been fantastic. It's given me the chance to explore different arenas and use different techniques and technologies, because the whole project's brought loads of different things like computer-aided design, you're designing, you're making, pattern cutting, so it's brought everything into one, and you've had the flexibility to pick what you want to make, how you want to make it, obviously in line with the Maverick Store brand, but also it's great being able to pitch your idea to somebody in the industry and to see how you can do everything from start to finish.
This one is my dress, and it is made from organic cotton, which has been hand loomed and dyed with onion skins. I think sustainable fashion is the future. I think that if we think about this now, then when we graduate we're going to be ahead of the game.
Good, everyone's worked really hard. There's 3 that have stood out a lot, you know, the whole process. You can see the whole thought process from the design stages to the final design, so this is a really good outcome, I think. I'm really pleased with it.